Well, this is a lot to put in Domino. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my tiny home on wheels, Domino. In this week's video, I have on overalls, which means it's a work day. I just got the okay from Waste Management to drop off a lot of crap. So what I'm actually gonna do is clean out the garage, which that area ultimately belonged to Andrew, my husband, but I've been storing a whole bunch of Domino stuff in there. And so today I'm actually going to clean out the garage, remove all of that stuff, and then also remove a lot of the nasty stuff that we have on the back porch from the Domino renovation. So in order to make all of this happen, what I have to do first is clear out Domino, kind of get her ready to travel up the road, and also get rid of some of the stuff that I have under the bed so I can have all of the floor clear so we can put all the crap there and transport it and dump it. So this is the garage space. I don't need the floors anymore, but I am gonna keep this one right here, I believe, because that's just a really nice piece of wood. I'm taking all of this to Waste Management. So we're gonna load all of this up into Domino. So I'm just gonna keep these two pieces. I really don't know if I'll even have a purpose for this, probably not, but I have some other stuff I want to throw in Domino, so I'm not gonna take that big piece. This is just a nice piece of whatever. And then I'm just gonna keep these little pieces of wood. I'm not sure why, but here's my trim for my floors. I'm gonna put those in one day. But basically, this is it for now. Now the back porch. Okay, so now we're on the back porch, and basically 1x3s and stuff. Oh, I don't know why bees keep coming to get me. Stop. Okay, so I'm on the back porch, and what I'm actually going to get rid of now is Domino's original subfloors from when she was actually a bus. That's back here. So let's see, I've had Domino for over a year now. So yeah, that's back here. Gonna get rid of that. So these cabinets were initially in Domino when I did the conversion, but they're too heavy, so I'm not going to grab those. But yes, I'm going to get all the little scrap wood. I'll grab that stuff. And this is Domino's original subfloors from when she was a bus. So let's grab this crap. Well, this is a lot to put in Domino. Better get to work. Alright, Domino is completely loaded up. The back. Here's my walk-in area, my hallway. Now I'm just gonna close up the back, lock up the house, and then hit the road. So I didn't make it far before an issue popped up. So my backup camera went out because all of this wood knocked out this piece. So basically I just have to pull out my little toolkit to take this little screw out, put this back in, tighten it up, and then it'll be back online. This should work. All right, she is good to go. Now let's try this again. So I just pulled up and there's a line. See how this goes. So right now I'm waiting because he's saying that he don't know if they can take this stuff, even though I received a letter from the apartment complex and I spoke with waste management earlier to confirm that I could do this. So it stank. Oof. So now I'm just waiting to see if they can take the stuff, and at this point I don't care if I have to pay, even though it was supposed to be free. Like sweating. I need to pull off. So unloading was obviously a lot easier than loading, but good gosh, like I am sweating hardcore. Whew. but it was free. The piece of paper that they gave me said like $40 something, but I guess I didn't have to pay it because I had my piece of paper or whatever. So time to go back home and jump in the shower. Look at this. Poor Domino. It stinks also, so I hope she doesn't stink now. I made it back home, and honestly I wanted to clean Domino up to get her ready for this trip that I'm taking in a few days, but it is just so nasty out here. As you saw, the air quality is just not good here, so I won't be able to really clean up out here right now because I feel like I'm kind of getting a little headache from all of the smoke in the air. So I think this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. I know this isn't like a very interesting video maybe, but this was literally something that needed to be done. But yes, this is where I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing if this is something you like. Thanks again. Bye.